Hi, I'm John with JC Property Professionals, and we're here today to discuss the framing of this garage and the sheeting as well as the house wrap. Allow us to come on in and show you the framing we've done. Okay, so this is going to be the garage area, and in the back we're going to have a 30 worktop area, and the garage is going to be 30 foot by 30 foot. Down the framing with 2x6 walls so that it'll be stronger because the ceilings are going to be 10 foot tall in here. And we're also going to do the house wrap today so that we can get it ready for the waterproofing and the vapor barrier. Allow us to demonstrate how we're applying it. So the guys have already applied the lower sheeting, and now we're doing the overlapping of the top. We need to overlap the top and apply the tape so the vapor barrier will be also windproof. It's on all the new construction homes. After we get the house wrap on, the next step is to put the trusses on and sheet the roof, as well as put the vapor barrier on the roof before we apply the lifetime metal. And as you can see, they are installing it now, pulling it tight to keep the wrinkles out so it doesn't bother the siding when we put that up. Well, that is all for today. Thank you for watching, and remember, the beautiful properties start here with JC Property Professionals.